watching Patrick Parson Workshop.
You can definitely see why this was leaking. All right, I cleaned up this part. I heard you, I'll be right there.
You have been watching the Patrick Parson Workshop, which we hope you have found informative. In the comment section below, please share your thoughts, questions, and any ideas you may want us to address in the future. Also, why not consider subscribing to the channel, as every week we will have something new for you, and we would surely hate for you to miss it. As always, thanks for watching Patrick Parson Workshop.